Firstly, the upgrade needs to be performed on the computer. USB-C port needs to support DP protocol. Mobile phones or pads do not currently support web upgrades. Please follow the on-screen instructions in the video to access the glasses firmware upgrade page. After inserting the glasses, the screen may flicker depending on the computer settings. This is considered a normal phenomenon. During the entire process, select the eyewear device and click Connect for all pop-ups. When upgrading, do not close the current page or unplug the device. First, upgrade the MCU firmware. Then upgrade the DP firmware. Ensure both upgrades are successful before unplugging for normal use of eyewear. If you still encounter issues, such as recognition failure, no response to upgrades, or upgrade failures after connecting according to the above process, please try the following methods for troubleshooting and recovery. Clear the browser cache, disable ad blocking plugins, reopen the browser, and check if it can successfully detect an upgrade. Check if it can successfully detect an upgrade in the browser's incognito mode. Unplug and reconnect the device. Refresh the page multiple times. If refreshing is ineffective, you can clear device permissions and reconnect for recognition and upgrade. Try changing the network or computer, redo the operation, and see if it can successfully detect an upgrade. If the issue remains unresolved or if you have any other questions, please contact our customer support email and we will assist you as soon as possible. You can also use the Nebula app to upgrade the firmware for the glasses. Please ensure the download of the resource package is completed in a stable network environment. If issues persist even after upgrading to the latest firmware, you can also use Nebula for Mac to restore the firmware. After the restoration process is complete, try reconnecting. Incomplete resource packages may lead to issues such as software installation abnormal resolution. During the upgrade process, do not close the Nebula app or unplug the glasses to avoid upgrade failure. If issues persist after updating to the latest firmware, you can also use Nebula for Android to restore the firmware and reconnect after completion. Finally, you can also use XREAL Beam to upgrade the firmware for the glasses. During the upgrade process, do not close XREAL Beam or unplug the glasses, and be cautious not to block the distance sensor to avoid upgrade failure. If issues persist after updating to the latest firmware, you can also use XREAL Beam to restore the firmware and reconnect after completion. If the issue persists, or if you have any other questions, please contact our support service via email, and we will assist you as soon as possible.